I have teamed up with Mobile in Africa to show you some innovative and exciting products perfect for those on the go. Mobile in Africa Group is passionate about empowering South Africans by making innovative, cutting-edge technology accessible to all. MIA was established in 2015 as a proudly South African distributor of Xiaomi's world-class affordable smartphones and smart home products. Today, we are looking at the Mi portable Bluetooth speaker, which comes free with the Redmi Note 11 Pro 128GB. There are large rubber buttons to power on the speaker, change volume, select tracks, turn on Bluetooth and turn on TWS mode. The Mi portable Bluetooth speaker offers high quality sounds with a maximum power output of 16 watts. There are normal and deep bass sound modes for different experiences. There are 2 speaker connections with auto output in the left and right channel. The speaker is IPX7 waterproof, so it can be taken to the bathroom, to the kitchen, to the pool, taken outdoors. Basically, you can just take it anywhere and it's not afraid of getting a bit wet. You can even connect 2 speakers together to play music from a pair of speakers. There is a built-in microphone which facilitates easy calling. The built-in 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery allows for 13 hours of playtime. In the box you will find the speaker itself, the user manual, and the USB Type-C cable.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
Let's do a quick sound test.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own branding down. I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a course.
The Outer Banks. Paradise on Earth. And that's me, John Booker Rutledge. And this is where I live. It's the sort of place where you either have 2 jobs or 2 houses. 2 tribes, 1 island.
Now that sounds good. Links to full reviews as well as products mentioned in this video can be found in the description.